Hey everyone, it's been way too long since I posted an update. I haven't been slacking off, I've just been working on something that doesn't really have anything to show yet. Basically, a few months ago, I realized that by the time we sell out of the current batch of Maslow 4.1 kits, we won't have enough money to buy all of the parts for a new batch. And so I've been trying to figure out what to do about that. The obvious answers are like we could raise the price, or like we could switch back to like a pre-order model where it's like we get all the money and then we use the money to buy the parts and then we ship them out. Neither of those sounds appealing to me. Another factor is we're supposedly, knock on wood, going to get some tariffs money back, but it hasn't happened yet, and I don't really want to count on that because that would really just be kicking the can down the road. The real issue that I think we need to solve is that the current kit being a DIY robotics kit is really a big hurdle for a lot of people. I think that there's some people who really want to buy a DIY robotics kit, and that's awesome. But I think there's many, many more people who just want to buy a digital fabrication tool. And the fact that they have to assemble it is, really annoying. And it's also not great from my perspective. I think that someone in the forums described it as trying to run a factory where it's everyone's first day and we communicate only via email. And I was like, yeah, that sounds like a terrible way to run a business. So I've been working on, with the time we have, trying to design basically a version of the machine that comes fully assembled and ready to use out of the box. Now, the current machine, Maslow 4.1, is just too big and too complicated to be able to reasonably ship this and sell it, at least for a reasonable price. Basically, this would end up being so expensive that it just wouldn't be worth it. What I've been working on is a smaller version of the machine. It's going to be about this big with a sled. There are some trade-offs. It's still designed to do full 4x8 sheets of plywood, but it's going to be 1/8" router bits only. And also, one of the advantages of it being smaller is you'll still be able to set it up, big to do 4x8 sheets of plywood, but also it's more targeted toward you can put it on a workbench and do smaller things as well. I don't really have anything to show yet. I've been designing parts, designing circuit boards, getting them sent out to be made. At this point, pretty much all of the parts are being fabricated and sent to me. Hopefully I'll have something cool to share in the next few weeks. But I just wanted to post a quick update to let you all know what I'm up to, and have a great week.